It's no secret that the U.S. is a litigious society, and lawyers that bring compensation cases against big companies are often derided as ambulance chasers. But they are now proving themselves among the best eco-warriors in the U.S. One example includes U.S. trial attorneys' attack on Bayer, the German company desperately trying to rid itself of years of costly litigation associated with glyphosate, the main ingredient in weed killer Roundup. The company insists that Roundup is safe and does not cause cancer, but trial attorneys have won expensive courtroom battles against Bayer over Roundup's safety. Bayer has set aside $6.4 billion for future Roundup litigation costs, and the company's share price has been pummeled by the uncertainty over these claims. Surprisingly, in part of the Bayer case, trial attorneys have actually been acting on behalf of allegedly injured parties against the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, accusing the EPA of approving pesticide labels that didn't adequately state the product's safety risks. For years, the EPA's Office of Pollution Prevention and Toxics, which regulates chemicals, has been dogged by allegations of an overly cozy relationship with chemicals companies. And whistleblowers have even accused high-ranking EPA officials of altering and even deleting findings of risk to human health and the environment. EPA management often bounce between the organization and highly paid private sector industry jobs, but across the industry, the lawyers aren't slowing down their attacks. In addition to Bayer, plaintiffs' lawyers are preparing for courtroom fights with chemical companies Chevron, Syngenta, and ChemChina over the herbicide Paraquat. Plaintiffs' lawyers spent $440,000 on advertisements in June, up from $74,000 in May, according to Ex Ante, a company that tracks litigation advert spending. These ads are crucial to the plaintiffs' lawyers' strategy. They need victims to win big settlements. In the agriculture sector specifically, the plaintiffs' court fights have changed corporate behavior in ways that regulators cannot. For example, amid mounting litigation costs, U.S. conglomerate 3M in December said it would stop making forever chemicals, which can remain in people's bodies for a lifetime by the end of 2025. Ultimately, environmental regulators play the central part in writing and enforcing rules for chemicals, but long-derided plaintiffs' lawyers seem to be playing an increasingly important supporting role.